Okay, hello everyone, welcome back again. This should be the last video of this tutorial series, and in today's video I am going to show you how we can set up the conversion API from the data from the event data that already we sent in the server container. Okay, and already we sent all of our event data to the server container from our web container. Okay, that's mean we have all of the data in server container. And now in this video I'm going to show you how we can send this event that we have in the server container, how we can send them to the Facebook using Facebook conversion API. Okay, that's why we need a trigger. Actually, first of all we need a trigger. Already we send page view item, add to cart, and begin checkout and purchase event data. Okay, that's why, but we need a trigger to receive those event data. That's why I'm going to create a new trigger, and it will be the custom trigger, and it's not will be same events because I'm not interested to same event. Actually, when we trying to send event data using GA4 client from the web container to server container, sometime Google Analytics 4 send unnecessary event data from web container to server container. Okay, that's why I'm going to make all of the correct event. That's why I'm going to make a trigger like this. I'm going to receive just exactly those event that I send from the web container to server container. Okay, that's why I just choose the sum event, and from the event it will be event name. That then I'm going to choose the mesh regex mean, as example, if I choose here the page view. If I choose here the page view, then if I use this sign, okay, then if I write here the view item, that's mean there is a two event, page view and the view item. If Google Tag Manager server container get the page view event, then this tag will be fired. And also if the Google Tag Manager server container get the view item event, then the view item event will be fired. Okay, this method working like this. Okay, and I'm going to create on tag and on trigger for this setup. That will save our time. That's why I'm going to make this way, and event name and mesh regex, and I am going to write here all of the event that I send from the web container to server container. Okay, then it will be that to cart, and it will be the begin checkout. We have to write here exactly the same way, otherwise it will not working. Okay, then have to check from here it's fine or not. Then we can see page view item, add to cart, begin checkout, and the purchase. Okay, then it will be the Facebook conversion API trigger. Okay, FB, we can name like this, FB copy, that's mean FB conversion API. Then let's save it, and now we have to create a tag. The tag will be the Facebook conversion API tag. Okay, from the tag section we need a new tag, and also in here we did not find any of the tag that's for the Facebook conversion API, because it's the Google product. That's why Google featured their product, Google Analytics, Google Ad, and the conversion linker. That's why we need a tag from the template gallery. That's why I'm going to template gallery, and from here we have to search Facebook, and there is a lot of tag for the Facebook conversion API setup, but this is from the Facebook official. That's why I'm going to use it. Okay, then let's add it in my Google Tag Manager server container. Okay, then I need here the pixel ID and API access token and the test event code, and there is that we need the trigger. Okay, then just I choose the trigger here, and then I have to enable these two. That's mean our ABC and ABP data cookie data will be extended, and enable event enhancement. Okay, then action source should be website, because this data will coming from the website, and we need the pixel ID. That's why I have to go to the event manager, and this is the event manager, and this is my data source that I created for this project. And then I have to go to the settings section. Just look at here, there is some data already get from from in this event manager, and all of them are from the browser side. Okay, that's mean last day I set up the browser side tracking, that's why there is a browser. Okay, now it's after some time when I set up the conversion API, then we can see its data coming from the multiple source and its browser and conversion API. And we need the dataset ID, that is the pixel ID actually, and from here we have to paste it. Okay, then we need a API access token, we have to scroll down, then we can send a option generate access token in under conversion API. Then let's just click over it. Okay, it takes some time to generate the API token for you. Okay, then API token is created. Then we have to paste this code here, and we have to paste the test event ID, and in under test event ID, then you will find a test event ID. Okay, then just have to copy it and then just paste it here. Okay, then let's save it, and this tag name should be conversion API tag. Okay, then just let's submit it, and again submit the web container. Then I will go to the preview mode from the both container to check our all of the event parameter and all of the event is working or not. Okay, let's go to the preview mode from the server container. Okay, let's go to the preview mode from the web container as well, and here we have to place my website URL. Let's connect it. Just I visit my website homepage, and we have to wait for the page view event fired. It takes some time to fire this event, and we will see. Just look at here. If I just click over this page view, then just look at here, conversion API tag is fired. And if I go to the event manager test view, just look at here, page view event is fired from the browser side, and within a moment it will fired from the server side. Okay, just we have to wait. Just look at here, this fired from the server, and it's deduplicated. That's mean it's totally fine and it's working. Okay, then let's go to a product page. Then wait for firing this tag for the view content. Okay, then let's see, view item event is fired and conversion API tag is fired. And if I go to the event manager, also we can see the view content event, and after some time we can see this data from the server container. Okay, let's make the activity for that to cart. Okay, then if I go to the tag assistant, tag manager debug view, then just look at here, add to cart event is here, and in the event manager, then just look at here, view content event already fired and it's duplicated, and add to cart event from the browser container. After some time it will be fired from the server container. It's all of the event are deduplicated. Okay, that's mean they're totally working and fine. And look at here, add to cart event come from server and it's deduplicated. Okay, then I want to go to the checkout page to check all of my my checkout event is working or not. Okay, then let's fill up this form to make a purchase. I will check the checkout event as well, but in the meantime let's fill up this checkout form. This is a test payment gateway. Okay, let's look at here, and you can see begin checkout event is fired and conversion API tag succeed. And if I go to the event manager, then I can see initiate checkout event is fired and it's deduplicated. Okay, just look at here, we get this event like begin checkout here, but in the event manager Facebook make it initiate checkout. That's mean already I tell you in the previous video that if we send a begin checkout or add to cart according to the J4 pattern, Facebook will automatically remake them to their pattern. Okay, that's mean look at here, add to cart and initiate checkout and the view content, Facebook make this event according to their pattern. Okay, then if I go to the checkout page again, and if I click over the pay now button, Then the purchase event will be fired within a moment. Just I get the thank you page. Okay, then let's wait for the purchase event. I can see the purchase event is here and it's a succeed. And if I go to the event manager within a moment, I believe I can see the purchase event is here. Okay, just I can see the purchase event from the web container. And if I go here, I can see there is the all of the data is here, currency, content ID, and the value, all of the thing is here. And just look at here, a purchase event just coming from the server and it's deduplicated. That's mean our all of event and everything is working smoothly and everything is fine. Okay, that's mean our tracking is working and everything setup is correctly. Okay, and you can see there all of the event data is here, content ID and the content name, everything is here. Okay, that's mean, and you can see user data key, all of the user data key, country, city, email address, external ID, browser ID, first name, IP address, sure name, that's mean last name, country, user agent, postal code, all of the user data is here. But Facebook will not showing you because it's a very sensitive data. That's why Facebook will not showing you here. Okay, but this event user key is here. Okay, and thank you for watching this video, and this was that was the last video of this tutorial series. And inshallah in the after few days I will talking about on more topic in my channel. Okay, thank you so much.